Welcome to Street Sense with me, Maxwell Mensah. You can call me Talent Man. On Street Sense, I share with you uncommon wisdom tips to help you succeed in your finances, career, business, and relationships. On today's episode, I'm going to share with you 7 ways to make money from your talent. 7 ways to make money from your talent. But before I get into it, you know what to do. Kindly subscribe to my channel now, like this video, leave a comment for me, and share the video so others can get to learn what you've been learning on my channel all this while. As you may have been aware of, I am on a 100 days YouTube challenge, and today I'm in the day 50 something. So if you're happy for me and you want to celebrate me for consistently posting content right here on YouTube every single day for the past 50 plus days, why don't you subscribe now so you can help me grow on YouTube. So let's get into it. 7 ways to make money from your talent. Charlie, we all want to make money from our talent too. We all want to make money from our talent. And for some of us, when we started, we were doing things for free. We did free things for so long. And so things we could have made money from, we're doing it for free because we were passionate about it. We love doing it and we're doing it for free. But it gets to the point where you need to make money from your talent. And so when it gets to that level, this is things you need to know to make money from your talent. The first way to make money from your talent is to start a service business that solves problems. To start a service business that solves problems. You see, the whole essence of a talent is supposed to help you to build a career that you love, that you're passionate about, just so you can love what you are doing forever. I mean, because you're going to be in that particular career line for a very long time, probably for the rest of your life. And so you wouldn't want to go into a career that you don't love, a career you hate. If you want to go into a career you love, definitely it should be a career that is based around your talent. And so if you are someone who wants to start making money from your talent, but don't know where to start from, the easiest way is to build a service business. The reason is that with a service business, you don't need a lot of money to start. Sometimes you don't even need much money to start because it is a service business. You don't really need products. You don't need physical products. All you need is most times your intellect, your ideas, your creativity. And these are things that are, intangible. They are not things that you need to go and buy on the market. So once you have the ideas in your head, you have the intellect, you have the expertise in whatever it is, you can start a service business. It is easier to start a service business, and make money from it than a product business, because with a product business, you need to have a lot of money to get the raw materials, you can get the ingredients and start manufacturing and producing whatever it is you're producing before you can start to sell. But with a service business, very easy. Just probably you know how to teach, or you're an intelligent person, you know how to teach, you want to teach children. You don't need a classroom to start teaching children. You don't need a classroom. You don't need a building. All you need to do is you have the knowledge, go and see parents in your neighborhood. Oh, uncle, auntie, I am a graduate of this university or with this particular school. I love math a lot, I love English, I love science, and I want to teach your children how to teach your children in these subject areas so that they can also pass the exam like I used to do when I was in school. I don't charge much. Normally, most class home teachers charge maybe say 1,000 cedis, but I will charge you just 500 cedis for a start. Then as we go on, blah blah. Look for a service business you can start, so that you can gradually build on yourself. Because when you start a service business, like I said earlier on, you don't spend a lot of money, but then be mindful. It must be a service business that solves problems. If it doesn't solve a problem for anyone, no one will need what you are doing. So if you want to make money from your talent and you want to start a service business, it must be a business that solves problems, because people are not going to patronize you just because, Maxwell has a business, so it's nice, I want to patronize him. No, they will patronize you because your business solves a problem for them. So start a service business that solves problems for people. Secondly, or the second way is to build a product business that solves problems, just like the first one. The first one was service, this one product business. It's not even one can start a service business. Some people, no matter what you do, they are not per their talent type or per their personality, they will not go into a service business. Theirs is product-based business. If that is yours, then build a product, have a tangible product, a physical product where you can show to people that this is what I produce, this is what I do, and it can help you. It can help you in X, Y, Z ways. So you are selling a product that is a physical product people can see and touch and feel and can use to solve a problem in their life. So if you can't start a service business because that's not area, then start a product business. And make sure whatever product you are creating should be a product that solves problems for people. If your product or your service doesn't solve a problem for people, nobody will patronize you. You end up going to use all your money to produce a product and no one needs a product because it doesn't solve any problem for them. They don't need it for anything. So why should they patronize it just because you are their friend? No, they won't. So make sure whether it's a product or a service you are rendering, it must solve a problem for people. That way people will pay you, and that way you can start making money from your talent. The next thing is to identify your client base. If you have a service you want to sell or a product you want to sell and you don't know how to sell, then it's a waste, because you have the product that can help people, you have a service that can help people, but you don't know how to sell. You will have everything, but then you'll be broke always, or you will remain poor for a very long time. So once you have the service, you have the product, learn how to sell. Selling sometimes comes easily to some people. To some people, they are naturally salespeople. They know how to sell very easily. You can give them any product at all, they will sell. Give them clothes, they will sell. Give them shoe, they will sell. Give them mattress, they will sell. Give them house, they will sell. Give them car, they will sell. Give them coffin, they will sell. Give them anything you give them, they will sell. Those people are naturally, salespeople. But for some people, you will need to learn how to sell. Because if you don't know how to sell, your product or service will just be there, and other people will be going other places, because by all means, if it solves a problem, then definitely other people are doing it and they are selling. So you also need to sell, else you'll be there with your talent, with your ideas, and you won't make any money. So learn how to sell. Decide who your client base are and learn how to sell to them. Because every product has its own client base. Discover your client base and go out and sell to them. So the next point ties in with the one I just spoke about. It is to learn how to sell. I even mentioned this whilst I was talking about the client base. Learn how to sell. If you don't know how to sell, your product will be there, your service will be there, nobody will buy from you. So learn how to sell. Learning is a skill that everyone needs to have. Selling is a skill that everyone needs to have. Whether you're an entrepreneur or an employee, you need to learn how to sell. And let me tell you this. At every point in time, we are all selling. You are just not aware. At every point in time, we are all selling. So let's assume you are someone who is going for a job and you say, I don't like sales job, I don't like sales job. You are still selling something. What is that? You are selling your skills and your talents to a company. You're telling the company that, look, I have XYZ skill sets. And if you employ me, I can do XYZ for you. Probably they are going to employ you to be a customer service person. But you need to sell yourself to them as someone who can sell or who can be a customer service person. And for them to buy you before they can employ you. So at every point in time, we are selling. If you want to propose to a girl, you are selling yourself to the girl that actually, I am the best guy for you to consider now. At this point in time, it is me you need in your life. So consider me because I have so and so. If you consider me in your life, it will be for you. If you're a lady and you want a guy to propose to you, or you want a particular guy, or whether you want a particular guy or not, whatever it is, you want to get married one day, you are selling yourself because everything you do communicates to somebody, communicates to the guys around. And so if you are communicating the wrong things, you attract the wrong guys in your life, and the wrong guys will come to you and they'll keep breaking your heart every now and then. So at every point in time, we are selling. You need to learn how to sell. And as an entrepreneur, you need to learn how to sell your products and services. As an employee, you need to learn how to sell yourself to your prospective employer, so that they can if it's your employer, when you're able to sell well to them, then they employ you. You work for them. You exchange your time or your skills for for the salary they'll pay you. If you are an entrepreneur, you sell your products and services, you make your money, and you're able to get the things you need to have. So learn how to sell. The next thing is to get a job in line with your talent. Get a job in line with your talent. So like I said earlier on, learning to sell. If you discover, or let me say, once you discover your talent, you need to learn how to build a career around your talent. Once you build your career around the talent, you need to know how to find the jobs that are in line with your talent. It is not like I know my talent. I know I'm a very good fashion designer, but then instead of me doing fashion designing, I put the fashion designing aside, and then I go and look for a job as a teacher. You are doing the wrong thing. You discovered your talent, but you put it aside, only to go and do something because when I go and teach, I'm assured of my salary. Every month they'll pay me salary, so I want the salary. I don't want my own talent. I don't want to build on my own talent. If you want to make money from your talent, stop hiding the talent. Don't put the talent on hold. Don't say, I'm putting my talent on hold for the meantime. I want to just do anything at all. Look for a job around the talent. That way you can get to learn and get practical experiences in the job field. So probably you want to start your own media company, but I don't really know what it entails. Look for a job in a media company, work there for some time, learn the practices, learn the ways they do their things, get the experience from there, and use that to come and start your own media business. So one way to make money from your talent, get a job in line with your talent. Before I go to the next point, I want to remind you, kindly subscribe to my channel now. You've been learning so much from my channel. I know, you've been learning a lot. You've been writing so much notes. You've been saving my videos. You've been downloading them. So definitely subscribe now so you can always get the updates anytime I upload new content. So the next one is to develop interconnected products and services. Develop interconnected products and services. Whatever product or service you render or you sell, there are other interconnected products and services. Other interconnected services. So look for a way to sell other products and services that are, like a built-on or an add-on to what you are doing. So for example, you sell, what do you sell? Probably you sell bags. After selling bags for a while, you realize that when you're selling bags, you can add clothes to selling the bags. You can add shoes selling the bags. You can add belts. You can add something else. Look for a way to develop other interconnected business or services, product services that can link what you do. You get it? So if you have a bookstore, I think I mentioned this example in one of the other episodes. If you have a bookstore and you sell only exercise books, see how you can start selling pens, erasers, textbooks, bags, something, math sets, any other thing that people use as students. You understand? So see how you can develop other interconnected products and services in line with what you are doing. You get it? And that way you can start making more and more money, because if you're able to make money, one stream of income from a talent, there are other streams you can also create in the same line, along the same talent. One talent too, but there are other interconnected products and services that you can render. For example, I'm an author, I'm a writer. So one business or one product I have in line with my writing is I have books, I've authored books. So that is one thing that I do. I write books for people, that's ghostwriting. It's another income stream. I edit books for people. So if I'm not writing for you, I'm editing or proofreading for you. That's another talent. So you can see that one talent, I have the book writing for myself, authoring my own books, writing for other people, ghostwriting, and then editing books. And there are several other things that I do in line with just the writing. So look for how you can develop interconnected products and services in line with your talent. Then the last thing, partner with others. Partner with others. If you want to make money from your talent, learn how to partner with other people, other service providers, other products providers. Learn how to partner with people. You can't be an island by yourself. You can't do it all by yourself. You can't do it all alone. You will need other people in your circles. You need to connect other people who can open some doors for you, and people who can also open doors for them. So find a way to partner with people, because see, sometimes there are some deals you want to get that you can get by yourself, but when you lock horns with somebody else, you can't be able to access those particular deals or those particular funding and opportunities that are ahead of you. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Street Sense with me, Maxwell Mensah. It looks like I'm tired in this particular episode. I don't know why. But thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, kindly subscribe now, and you know what to do. Tomorrow, another episode will drop here. Thank you, and I will see you on the next episode.